Alright, Jelly Beans, this is going to be the front of my video. I found out who the Datsun pickup truck was from RBS Diecast. RBS Diecast from Whatnot. His link will be down below.
Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. And from out in the wild, and a special gift from my girlfriend. She gave it to me on Valentine's Day. And that was 3 days ago. Today is Monday, the 19th. Is it? President's Day. I don't know what day it is, what today's date is. I really like what she got me, but let's get to the unboxings, then the wild Whatnot unboxings, then the wild, and then I'll show you what my girlfriend got me. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. Alright, let's get with the unboxings. This feels like there's nothing in there. It's a, I don't know what it is. It's not my activity log on Whatnot. I'll see what it is. So open it up. Yes, I'm in the car. And I have my keys around my neck. Why wouldn't I use my keys to open this? Well, I tell you why. Because that will make it a whole lot easier. And do I ever make things easy? And there's no slit in here to tell you who this is from. Oh, okay. This is my Nissan. No, not Nissan. Datsun truck. 74 Datsun truck. I have to go back and see who I got this from, because I can't find the activity. I'll be right back. I will definitely be right back. Alright, Jelly Beans, I did not find where I got that from on Whatnot. Sellers, please put some type of receipt or something inside so I can get your name out, so I can give you credit on YouTube, so my subscribers could come check your Whatnot out. So anyway, this is pretty awesome. That's why I bid it on it. I like the old style Datsuns. They're pretty cool. And thank you very much to whoever you are that I got this from. I'm sorry, but I could not find your name where I got that from. Alright. This big box is from Cash Money. And his link will be down below for Whatnot, so you can go check them out. Again, why wouldn't you use your keys to open this box? Because, John, that would be easy for you. You like to make things hard for yourself. Alright. Here we go. Cash money. Yup. So, package inside of a package. Yup. Want to see what this is? I know there's 2 packages in this box or more, but I know that one of them is a smaller version of the 1/24 scale. Alright. Here's a giveaway for Dodge Ram Rebel Matchbox. Moving parts. I know it's not Dodge anymore, but I'll still call it Dodge. It's pretty sweet. I like this very much. Very nice. Dodge Rebel. Nice. Oh. Big Jersey John, and here we go with the turtle wax. Apparently this one is a very hard sought after car. 1965 Chevy Chevelle wagon for Johnny Lightning. Very nice. I like this. This, from what I heard, very sought after. So, whatever how you say it. And I picked it. It was a 3 choice. I picked that. I forget what the other 2 choices were. So, alright, here we go with the other package. I know one of these vehicles, like I said, is the smaller version of a 1/24 scale that I showed y'all almost 2 weeks ago. Yeah, buddy. Oh, what one is it? Oh, it's not that one. Here is a 1966 Ford Mustang Gasser. Fanta. Yeah. Alright, jelly beans, here we go. My Sprite. This is what I got a couple weeks ago. And this is what I got now. Woo! Yeah. That's very sweet. I like that. Very nice. Very, very nice. I like. Yes. I should be cleaning my car out soon. Taking these things out of the car. Alright. Let's get to the wild. One thing from the wild and one thing from my girlfriend. Alright. I picked this up Saturday. I thought it was pretty cool. That's really cool. I like that. Super rigs. We got the duck, The Scrub-a-Dub driver. That's what it's called. Scrub-a-Dub driver. All right. Now, here's what I got from my girlfriend. A 1952 VW Beetle Deluxe model. 1/24 scale. I like this a lot. I actually was trying to get this a couple weeks ago, but didn't have enough money for it. And my girlfriend got it for me for Valentine's Day. Thank you very much. That's sweet. I like that. So, anyway, Jelly Beans, thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Please check out the Whatnot link down below. Mine, so you can sign up and get your $10 in-app credit. And so you can check out Cash Money stream. All right. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Peace.